Hello guys, this is Gordon Attar again for your PeopleString tutorials, and in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to add a banner signature to your PeopleString emails. So once you're on your home page, what you need to do is just scroll down again. You click on the PeopleString logo on your mail. Should put you to your inbox. So if you go on the right hand side, top right hand side, in your personal settings, click on it just once, and this is the window. Make sure that on your user interface to select your likings, your time zone, important, your language, several languages here to choose from, and you save if you change any of these settings. But the most important thing is you go to identities to make your banner signature. When you click once on there, you need to go and click on new identity down here at the bottom. And this is to create your new identity. So your display name, I write mine. It's already there, of course. Write your email, which is my PeopleString email. Organization, I'm gonna leave it out, and even these two, reply to and BCC, I'm gonna leave them out. So for your signature, what you need to do is this. You go to the other tab in your home page. You pretty simply go to tools. You click on tools, and under my earnings you click on banner ads, and here are your banners, your PeopleString banners that you can use for your signature, for your forums, for maybe your blogs, your websites. Because these, if you use the script, when you select all the script, and you, of course, when you paste them on your sites and several forums, when they click and they sign up, they will go straight to your downline. So for the banner signature, I'm gonna choose either this or this. I'm gonna choose this. I will go for this. So I'm gonna highlight all and copy. Right click, copy the script. I'm gonna go back to the email, and in here I'm gonna write something up like to your success, again my name, PeopleString Guru, and in here I'm gonna right click and paste, and then after doing that you tick these boxes, the HTML signature, and set as default, so it will be always when you create a message. Then of course you can use your imagination. You just edit it. Example, this I'm gonna need it bold and italics. These I want them perhaps blue, and PeopleString Guru needed bold. So that's if you're happy with it, You can even add your email in here, which I consider you to add. Okay. That's it. If you're happy with this, what you need to do then, you save it. And of course, when you I've got 3 here, but you can change the names or nicknames, it's not a problem. Obviously, when you're gonna use it, you go to email. Actually, it might come up the previous email, the previous banner signature that I've done, but it's not a problem. You go to create a message, and when you click on the create, that's good. Actually, it came the last one that I did. Okay, so when you create a message, of course, there's no hassle to write again to your success, your name, health regards, blah blah blah. Just pretty simple. Type your message. You select the recipient, the subject, and bang, you send now from here, and you have the banner signature here. That's all for this video tutorial on how to do your banner signature on PeopleString. I will look forward for the next video tutorial on PeopleString. I'm Goran Attard. Thank you very much for your attention.